Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. So I'm going to be demonstrating for you today how to publish your website on Google in 2022. So now, being as it's the year 2022, Wix has a built-in wizard that will do this with you. You need to access the dashboard for the site that you want to publish. So basically by publish, we mean that it appears on the Google search. There are a number of ways, eventually Google would hopefully find your website and embed it into search anyway. But there are a number of ways to kind of speed up the process. Luckily for us, like I mentioned, what we're looking for is under the marketing and SEO section of the dashboard. And then SEO tools is here. As you can see in the top left hand corner, get found on Google is kind of ranked first here. So I haven't done that yet for my website, and I'll go through it with you so you know what to do with it. So when you hit let's go, it takes you through a step-by-step process to get found on Google, or to how to publish on Google essentially. So we'll get started. As you can see, what's the business and brand name? And obviously I'm going to type that in there. I serve customers from a physical address or within a local area, so that kind of suits me. And I am in a place called Carmarthen. So that's next. So we need at least up to three keywords to separate each one with a comma. Okay, so we are desserts, from home, and I would say a bakery as well. Okay, so and end that with a comma. So it's really important that you end each word with a comma so that it appears like that as a keyword. Okay, so we can hit next. So there's now a number of things on this list that you'd need to do before moving ahead to the next step. And as you can see, we're 3 steps out of 7 now before we can get your homepage ready for a Google search. So the homepage title for search results is the first thing I'd like to set. Let's have a look. So there are some preset titles here. I'm going to go for that one in the middle. That looks like it's a homepage kind of title for me. I'm happy with that. Obviously, if you're not happy with one of them, you can hit the other option and type that in yourself. But that's what I would put myself anyway. I'm going to apply that. The next one then is the add the homepage's description for search results. So obviously we're going to do that now. 2 to 3 sentences describing what your site has to offer. So there you go. That's good enough for me. So, and then obviously we need the business or site name there as well. And there you go. So obviously you need to include your business's name in there as well. One of the keywords that we used previously, and it needs to be at least 50 and no more than 300 characters. So you can apply that one. We're getting there. And the next one is the text on the homepage. So let's have a look at that one. Obviously, we're going to need to include one of these keywords on the homepage editor. We'll need to do that. If I open the editor now, I'm going to put something similar to what I put in the description that includes one of those keywords. And remember that needs to go on the homepage as well, okay? So I've got a little area down here. I'm going to add some text, like a heading. I'll just do that very quickly for you, just to demonstrate. So obviously ensure that is spelled correctly and that you've included one of those keywords. We're going to publish that one, refresh it, and there you go. It's picked that up now. And then the final step is to connect it to the Google Search Console. So we'll hit that. So obviously to do this, we're going to need to give it permission. When you hit try again and you log in with the same account, you can verify that and allow the permissions for Wix. After a few minutes of indexing your site and adding it, you should then be taken to this page. So that's now added and published our site on Google. Okay, so we can now optimize it a little bit for search engines and add contact details, connect social networks. Those are the kind of next steps, and keep on building your SEO progress. But for now, we are on the Google search index. It may take a little while to appear, but if you want to check that you have been published correctly, if you go to Google, open the Google search engine and try and type your website into it with the correct address, and you should see yourself appear here on the search engine. Obviously we're not there yet because I've literally just done it this second, so I'll give them a chance to catch up, but that has now prepared our page and published it for the Google search engine. That concludes our tutorial for today. We'll cover the rest of the SEO stuff with you another time. I hope you enjoyed that and found that informative and useful. If you're looking for one-on-one tuition or support with your website on Wix, there's a link to do so in the description for this video. That'll give you access to a team of professionals who are able to help you, whether you're a beginner looking to build a Wix website from scratch, or an advanced and experienced user who's looking to solve a problem with their site or rebrand or restructure it. Get in touch with us with that link in the description. If you like this video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a subscription and a like, please. And if you've got any requests or questions or comments, please leave them as a comment down below. Thank you very much.